Hey guys, it's Kelly, and today I'm going to be filming a Dollar Tree haul. Before I get started, I just wanted to say that I'm back to YouTube, but I'm doing a lot of different things that I used to do. I used to make beauty videos on YouTube, but I decided that that just wasn't for me, and I took a long break because I knew what I wanted to film, but I didn't want to do it because none of it really goes together. But I decided, since I watched a ton of different YouTubers that make a ton of different videos, that I would make a channel where I film all different types of videos and just upload them, because I'm sure that there are some people that would want to watch them. And if I want to do vlogs, I want to do like hauls, I want to do Dollar Tree videos, I want to do DIY videos, I want to do fitness videos. There's just like a ton of different things that I want to do, so I'm just gonna do them. This video I'm just gonna start off with a Dollar Tree haul. I go to the Dollar Tree way too much. It's my favorite store, and I just love watching Dollar Tree hauls. I love watching Dollar Tree DIY videos. So today I went, and also on Friday I went to get some stuff for DIYs and different things. I'm gonna get started with what I got from the Dollar Tree today. I know it's like November 4th, but Christmas is my favorite time of the year, so I've already started Christmas shopping. So I got some gift wrap. This just says Merry Christmas on it. I thought it was really pretty, and I feel like it comes with a lot. Like, it feels really sturdy. And around Christmas stuff, my boyfriend and I are making our parents' little gift baskets, and for his parents I got these wine bottle bags that have little Santa hats for like the top of the wine bottle. And then on Friday I saw these rectangular cookie boxes, and like I thought these would be really good until today. I got 2 packs. They come with 2 boxes. Okay. Found this, so we're gonna put cookies for his mom's side. Every Christmas has a Christmas Eve party, so we're gonna make cookies in here. We're making gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, I think, or they might be sugar cookies. We don't really know, but I actually have celiac disease, so I'm gluten-free. So just got a different bin. I don't know. Just that same holiday party that I'm using those boxes for cookies. My boyfriend and I are going to have matching Christmas sweaters. They're gonna be ugly sweaters. I might film a video of me making them, but they're essentially green sweatshirts or green crew necks, and then you put these garlands that are 20 feet around to make it kind of look like a Christmas tree. I got 2 boxes of these, and then I got 2 things of mini Christmas tree ornaments, and they come with 15 each for $1 each, so $2 for all of these. And I'm gonna hang them off of the little garland for Christmas. I got this mason jar. I'm going to flip it upside down, and then I'm going to put one of these miniature Christmas trees, the smaller one, because the other one won't fit, in it. And then I'm going to put this fake snow in it, just so that way it kind of looks like a little Christmas thing. It's just gonna look like snow at the bottom because I'm not going to make it into a full snow globe. Next Christmas thing, I got this little plastic jar that has like a Santa's belt on it. Every year for Christmas I always get little candies and put them in my room, and normally I just put them in a little it's like a Santa tin that I got from the dollar section at Target, but I thought this would be cuter because it's clear so you can see the candies, and also it has like this really cute handle, and it's also like rubbered, so like the candy will stay fresh, not that I have anything that's not wrapped. Earlier I talked about baskets for our parents, and I got these Nestle Hot Cocoa for You packets. So I got the Santa and the snowman for his dad and stepmom, and then this one for his mom. I got just for like I have a humidifier, and it has an actual oil diffuser part into it, and I saw this today, and it's a luminescence black cherry fragrance oil, and I thought it'd be kind of cool just to try it out in my oil diffuser part. Next 2 things I got to add on to my boyfriend's Christmas gift. They're really stupid, but it's fine. This is poodoo. It's like one of those things that you throw and then it splats, and it's a piece of poop, and it's an inside joke kind of. Next I got this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Donatello little keychain. Next, earlier today I saw this DIY for like a little fake crate using these tumbling tower games, mini Jenga pretty much. Why is my camera unfocused? So I got 4 of these little tumbling tower games, just so that way I have enough to make my thing. Next I got 2 of these white frames. I already have a picture in this one. This is the day my boyfriend came home from deployment. He's in the Navy, by the way. And then I got this one for another picture of him. Thought these were cute. They're just plain white frames. It's for my craft cart. I'm really into crafts. This is an organizing case. It says it's great for crafts. I just saw it and I thought it was a good size, and I was like, I'm gonna get it. Don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but that's fine. Okay, I forgot these 2 Christmas things, but I found this little Christmas tree. It's like silver, and you think this would just be cute like this until you turn it on and it changes colors for $1. I thought it would just be cute for like my nightstand back there. I usually put it in front of the K. So yeah. And then I got some Christmas ribbon just to put in my hair for like when I wear my hair like this during the Christmas time, just to make it more festive. I found my favorite things. I've been looking for these, no joke, for like 4 months, and this is the first time I found them at the Dollar Tree. I found squishies. I love squishies. This one's like a cat, but like it's like not that slow, but like it's fine. I love these though. And then I got a little sloth. Pretty positive this is a sloth. This one's not that slow, but I just thought it was really cute because it's a little sloth. This is the best one. His face is kind of messed up, but that's fine. Look how slow he is. For $1. So I'm moving rooms. I'm trying to organize all of my stuff. I got this little tray for my desk, and I'm just gonna put like hair ties and stuff in it. I got this little bin to put on top of a little 3-drawer organizer to put all my sports bras in it. I'm gonna go back and get a few more of these to put on the top of my closet because I realized that these are like really good size for my new closet. Got this little collapsible storage container. I have like them back there in bigger sizes, but this is a small one, and I'm just gonna put it in my dresser drawer to organize like my socks and underwear. At least I got some organizers for my desk and craft cart. I got 3 of these white containers that just like can put pencils, pens, pencils, things like that. And then I got bigger ones, and I got 4 of these, and that's to organize my craft cart and desk drawer. But yeah, that's all that I have to show you for today. I'm sure that there's going to be tons of more Dollar Tree videos and Dollar Tree DIY videos coming up in the future, near future probably. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like that and other videos, please subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.